Let's start testing. Go to test. We'll do manual and then we'll do the test. So we'll do the run flow. Okay. So it would start now checking the files, right? And let's go to the SharePoint and see. So now my flow is running and you can see this is showing it that it succeeded. So it would complete all of them one by one. It would check the policy, then it would go to this condition, and one by one, it would go to all of them. And I would start getting, once it is completed, I'll get this. If there's any error, I will get notified. So while this is running, we can also check what happens in our SharePoint. So we can go there and you can see that this is changing the status, right? We also configured that in the team you should be getting a message, right? So let's go to team and let's say, so here it says, right? As the owner of the policy of train by dev mobile phone, you would be, we'd like to notify that you want to do this. What would happen if I select uh, reviewed, policy review completed? So I have to go and complete the policy review of my document, or I can say that I'll do it later, right? So if I select this, then I have to submit a comment. So now what would be next happening that it should update the status here as well, right? Let's this, right? View for review. So I have uh, one is still there overdue and one is this. So I should be getting another message, this one, right? So this one we did responded, the other one is this. And let's say I am doing that I have done. For so one did review and one I said that I will do it later. So this is also submitted. If I go back and I refresh this, it should be updated, right? So as the action I would take here will update. Now you would see this one also updating. So as the action would complete, it would start updating here. So once we reviewed, which one we just reviewed? We reviewed the one that is trained by Dev newsletter. Trained by Dev newsletter. We did when this is reviewed. My policy is still running, I guess. So it might take a minute or two. This is a test environment. But once I do that, it should change the status, whatever action I'm taking, right? And so, um, okay, this one, 10 by the, sorry, I think I was looking at the wrong file. Yes, so these are the mobile phone privacy policy. Privacy policy I have updated, so it says reviewed. This one is due for review. This one I have not responded yet. So if I, based on what response I give here, it would be later. and submit. So what action I'm taking, that would decide the status of my file. It is overdue right now, so we can update. So these two are due to review. This one is overdue, and these two are due for the review, and this one is review. Yeah. Okay. So I think all the three files. Uh, uh, Now I would be getting for another file. Yes. So yeah, all files are reviewed, and these are two for dues for review. I am set. If I will go here, then you see the condition is met. This is completed, and I can see, right? It was false. I got this to update, and all the files are completed. So this was the exercise 3, and the exercise our lab 3 is complete.